Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by confirming the essentials. Make sure you're logged into your Roblox account and the servers aren't down right now. Once done, clear your browser cache or the Roblox app cache and force close the app. This removes corrupted request headers. Next, test your network, switch from Wi-Fi to wired or toggle airplane mode to renew your IP. These steps fix most malformed requests fast, because bad or stale headers and flaky connections are the common culprits. Now you dig into the middle steps. Inspect the request URL and remove stray characters or long query strings that can trigger a 400. Make sure browser extensions, privacy tools, or a VPN aren't altering headers. Try incognito or disable add-ons to isolate the problem. Also update the Roblox client or your browser. Outdated clients send incompatible requests. If updates fail, reinstall. Doing this helps because malformed headers, proxies, or old software often corrupt the request formatting. To finish, restart both your device and router to clear transient network issues, then test Roblox on a different device to confirm it's local. Reset DNS settings to automatic and flush your DNS cache. For Windows, type ipconfig/flushtons, because stale DNS can misroute requests. If the error persists, collect screenshots, timestamps, and any request ID and contact Roblox support. One key troubleshooting tip. Try a different account on the same device to rule out account-specific configuration problems before escalating.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.